Where's your footy? Footy. Show grandma your footy. Where? 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 Your feet. Show me your feet. Where's your feet?
Well, how about your vocabulary? Say bubble.
Papa.
Say grandpa. Grandpa. Say grandpa. Say grandpa.
What about Kayla? What about cracker?
Wow, she knows how to play the piano. Hey, Kayla. Kayla.
Kayla, say cracker.
Say cracker.
Come here.
Are we good?
Kayla, come here.
Yeah, we're yeah.
Thank you. Where's your tongue? Your tongue. Yay! Good girl.
Kayla, where's Grandpa?
Where's grandpa? Where's grandpa? Say hi to grandpa.